Well, what we did here was we took our gas line and put it in the tank, or in the block rather, the way we thought it would be, just to put the tank on there and just see how it lined up, lengthwise. So I got a ruler out and we measured that, how tall it was. Let's see here. So we're pretty deep in the tank. I'd like to be a little deeper, but where it runs to it's almost totally out of the tank. So we're going to try to maybe make that go down a little bit further. I think it right there would have done it. I don't know, we'll see. I have found that if you don't seal these really well too, it may not be tomorrow. I mean, it may not even be a year down the line, but most things don't work. Just my experience. I've actually had to take two back apart because of that very thing. So get it on there right. This is an original oil pan. It doesn't have any holes in it, but it is rusted. And I just want to stay original with it. Keep the oil cup in case whoever buys this engine wants to run something with it, an ice cream maker or just whatever. I think the oil cup's important if you're going to do work with the engine. So, and I'm just going to keep on going. I said I was just going to turn the camera on and record what I was doing. That was the only way I was going to record some videos and be consistent. So when I started this series on this John Deere, I didn't realize how hard it is to make a video every day. You know, because you can get out here and you can do things that you're recording 2 or 3 times faster if you're not recording it. I don't know if that made any sense, but hey, it's just the way I see it. The tank is clean, ready to go. Put it on there right. And then what's next? Then we got our sub base. We're going to be using tagged to the back. Just get it on there. And I do have, let's see how long this video